wellness, and lifestyle channel. My name is Angela, and in this fashion edition, especially for women over 40, I am going to share a few pieces from Amazon as well as my online boutique. Now, these items are some casual pieces that you can wear as loungewear. You can wear them even if you work from home and you have those Zoom meetings, or you can wear these outfits if you have to run out and do some errands. So sit back, relax, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you. This family is growing, and I would love to have you a part of this positive family. If you're not following me over on Instagram, please follow me there as well, and let's get started. This first outfit is from my online boutique, and it is a two-piece leggings with the top, and you can see the leather-like or faux leather around the middle part of the outfit, as well as on the leggings on the sides and in the back. This outfit is a brown two-piece short sleeve pullover with drawstring jogger style pants, and this is one of my Amazon faves. My final outfit is a wine-colored ribbed two-piece drawstring pants outfit. Now this is on my online boutique.